tip for you. Drawers, old drawers, when you have trouble and they don't want to open very good for you, you're gonna have to take a simple piece of wax. You just want to take your wax and you want to run it along the bottom here, and it's going to get your drawers sliding a little bit better. So that's kind of just an old school thing. I remember seeing this when I was younger done, and it's always a good little hack or a little trip just to remember. Just wax them up really good. Cleaning up the sides. You don't always want to paint the drawers, the insides of the drawers. I do a lot though. If you wanted to use an actual color, let's say I wanted to use a gray tone or the weathered wood or something like that, I could totally water it down, turn it into almost a stain-like consistency, and just stain it with color too. You could totally do that. Just depends on the piece, depends on how easily it opens and shuts. This one is giving me a little bit of trouble, so I really don't want to add any paint to it. Just freshen the whole thing up. So the idea is when you upcycle a piece, it comes in looking like this, but when it leaves and it goes to someone's home, it should just look fabulous. It should look new. It should be fresh. So that's kind of what I'm kind of going for. So rather than adding layers of paint, which is going to make it thicker, I'm going to stain the sides, but I'm not going to use stain. So I'm going to use, it's from the DIY brand, and it is Dark and Decrepit. Okay, so, but the Dark and Decrepit, it is a liquid patina. There's no VOCs or no smells or anything, which is why I love to use this. I also use this to stain the tops of my wooden tabletop jobs that I have in here. I've got a beautiful farmhouse table in-house here that I stain this way, and this is exactly what I used. Now, most of the time when I use Dark and Decrepit, it grabs pretty well and it goes pretty dark. So most of the time, I usually not water it down, but dilute it with clear. But in this case, I'm going full strength, okay? This is one of those cases where I like it dark, as is. You can see how dark it is, guys? So this is just going to give it a nice, clean, finished, almost stained look. It's not stained, but it's going to look like stained. So anyway, so I got a rag on here and I'm just going to wipe it. You can control it. You can, ooh, that's looking pretty, right? So it looks like this deep, dark stain. Oh, pretty. Look at that. Pretty, huh? So it's really, really rich. It's deep and it's dark. And it's the same process, the same product, just on this tabletop. It's beautiful. This table's just gorgeous. I wanted it really, really dark. So I did 2 coats of Dark and Decrepit on this. And then I did 3 coats of, I think I used Big Top on this.